Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to cut and stitch this lovely abaya. Trust me, you can make it in 10 minutes. Very easy and lovely. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Tap notification bell so that I can be notified when we upload new video. So I need 3 yards of this material. So you so where we normally measure number of yards, so measure 14 inches in two places. So this is the breadth. So I'll measure 14 inches from here. This is where we normally measure number of yards. So I'll measure 14 inches in two places by the length measurement length plus 2 inches for seam allowance. So the length I'm working with is 56 plus 2 inches, that's 58 inches. So it will be 80 by 58 inches. So you fold it into two. After folding it into two, you fold it into four. So to be in 4 layers, fold into four. So let me make paper illustration so that you can get it clearly. So this in 2 layers. So this is the breadth, the 40 inches part. So this is the length. So the length, you fold it into two. Then I fold again into four. You can see it. So this is the length part. So you fold it like this. So after that, you measure 3 inches for the neck breadth. So from that 3 inches, so this is the neck, off out your neck. So measure 2 inches at the open mouth, 2 inches down, then you slant it like this for shoulder slant. So you note where your shoulder ends, measure your shoulder measurements from where your shoulder measurement ends. So make your armhole. So I'm making the armhole from where the shoulder measurements end. So shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus half inch. So from there you form your armhole. So from the armhole, so from the armhole at up, you make a slant going to down of the dress. You can see from the up, from up you make a slant going to the down of the dress. So the down wideness I use in this tutorial is 15 inches. So you measure 15 inches at the down part, then you slant it to up. So slant it from up to down. So ensure you don't cut the folded part. So the open part, that's where you cut out. So the neck, you can use 3 inches by 5.5 for the front piece and 3 inches by an inch for the back piece. So you have cut out the neck part, then you cut the armhole together, both the front and the back piece. So just curve this edge. So I've cut it out on the fabric. You can see the neck parts. This is the neck area. From here to this side is the shoulder measurement. So I make the armhole, then I curve it from here to down. I told you that the down wideness 15 inches. Measure 15 inches from the further side, then slant it to up. So this is the sleeve. So you can cut any sleeve of your choice. So you fit the sleeve at the armhole part. So when open, you should have something like this. So this is the shoulder, this is the neck. So I'll still increase the front piece. So you stitch the shoulder parts. So after stitching the shoulder parts, you fix your sleeve at this area, this armhole part. So you can see the armhole. After fixing the sleeve, you sew from the sleeve mouth sew down of the gown. So that's it. Very easy to cut and very easy to stitch. So I've stitched the shoulder. So I open this up. So this is the armhole part. So I'll fix the sleeve. So I'll turn the neck with lace fabric. So I will stitch from the sleeve mouth from here to down of the abaya. So for beginners, you turn it to the wrong side, then stitch. So this is how I fix the sleeve. Right side facing the right side, and I stitch by half inch. So it's so I'll stitch it on. So before stitching the side, you turn the neck. So this is how you cut facing for the neck. So you fold it into two. I have about 7 inches wideness. Like the length of this lace fabric is 15 inches. So I place the gown on the lace fabric. You can see the way I'm placing it. Just fold it into two. The back and the front on one side. So leave about 3 inches at the back side. This is the back side. So you leave about 3 inches when you want to place it. Then I'm going to trace the neck shape out. So this is the front part. So I'm going to trace out the neck shape and the opening at the front piece. So note where the opening stop. So you are going to follow the shape and open it. Just cut it like this. So, so I want to shape this facing. So I will give it this shape, just round shape, just curve it like this. You can decide to make this shape or any shape of your choice. It could be V shape, so you can make any shape of your choice. So for this tutorial, this is what I'll cut out. So this is it. So when you place it, so I'm going to stitch it one like this by half inch and you notch it. So after sewing, then you sew it like you sew it on the fabric. So I want to put button at the front part. So I've stitched it. So this is how I arrive it. So this is about 2.5 inches long. So if you don't know how to do this, so this is how you do it. Just fold it like this on both sides, then you fold again, then you stitch. So I cut about 5 of this and I do it like this. You can see it. Then I place it and I stitch on the front piece opening. So after that, I'll stitch like this by half inch. Then I will notch. Then after turning to the right side, I will now fold it on the right side like this. Just fold so that the edge will be neat. So this is the outcome. You can see how beautiful it is. You can decide to leave it like this. Is okay. And if you like, you want to make a design to the front part, so you measure the center, note the center. So after that, you measure 2 inches on both sides. You take it like this, then you stitch on it. So you can decide to work it like this. So let me quickly take you through how to go about that. So measure 13 inches from up. So at that 13 inches, you note the center. On this cloth is 38, the wideness is 38 inches. So the center is 19 inches. So I note the center and I measure 2 inches on both sides. Measure 2 inches on both sides. Then I take it like this. The other side too. I take it like this. So measure 2 inches again. Measure 2 inches on the other side too. You take it like this again. Just only the front piece. Don't include the back piece. So then you stitch. So this is the outcome. You can see how beautiful the abaya is. Thanks for watching. Guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thanks. Tap notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you. So if you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section. See you in my next tutorial. Masala.